What's up YouTube? This is Matthew here once again with another video for you all. And in today's video, we'll be discussing why you should start your online Shopify dropshipping business right now of August of 2018, before quarter four, before the holiday sales, Black Friday, Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve sales, all of that. So be sure to stay tuned in. And before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, like this video, and share. Now, for e-commerce or retail sales in general, there's usually four types of selling method that you can do. You can make your own product. That's usually for hobbyists who like to make their own bracelets or whatnot, and they want to sell it online. You can do it that route. There's also manufacturer. You get in contact with a manufacturer and you say, okay, I want to create like phone cases, and you have somebody manufacture a special type of phone case that you probably created on your own, but you don't want to make it yourself. You want somebody else to make it. The third way is wholesaling. So wholesaling things that are already made, but you're buying your warehouse, you're putting it in your warehouse, and you're shipping it out yourself. And then the fourth way that we'll be discussing today is drop shipping. Now, in drop shipping, what happens is that you sell a product that's already made, that you don't have to buy any inventory of. You just have your main job is to market and to sell it. And so the main thing is how good is your marketing skills. And then once you sell that product, you don't even have to ship it out yourself. The company does it for you. Now, why should you start your business? Why should you start drop shipping in particular? Is because number one, is low cost. So Shopify dropshipping is low cost because there's no upfront cost. You don't have to buy any products in advance. You don't have to hold any inventory. You get to use a website like AliExpress, see what different manufacturers are selling, and test it out for yourself. You open a Shopify website and you run Facebook ads, or you use Instagram influencers, and you get to test out each specific type of product. You can start with fishing products. You can start from clothing products, any products, but you don't have to buy any products up front. And the way that works is, let's say you have your online Shopify store, right? You connect that with AliExpress.com. It's like an Amazon, an Asian version of Amazon, and they usually have different items for low prices that you can probably market for 2x, 3x the price that they're selling it on the other website. And so you put that on your website, you run some Facebook ads, see if it works or not. And so that's going to my second point, is that with dropshipping, it allows you to be very ambitious and diversify your product selection. So with that, you can, because of this method, that you don't have to buy any products up front, you can test thousands of products. So you can start with watches, you can end off with selling clothing for women, makeup, or high ticket items like canoes or something like that. And so that's another thing that's really cool about drop shipping, and why you should start it right now. The third and final advantage, I would say, or why you should start your Shopify dropshipping business, is because with Shopify dropshipping, you can streamline your business easier and faster, because number one, there's no upfront costs, there's no inventories you have to hold, and then number three, you don't have to ship out the product. You don't have to get in contact with UPS and try to figure out where this order is or whatnot. Well, you will eventually, but you don't have to ship it out yourself. And so that helps streamline the whole process. You don't have to worry about, okay, now I have to pack this up and ship it, because the manufacturer is going to ship it directly from there. And so those are three main reasons why you should start your Shopify store. So let's go over them. So number one is that no upfront upfront costs or very low upfront costs. You know, you don't have to buy inventory upfront. And then number two is you can pick from a variety of products because of the low upfront costs. You know, you can test different products. And number three is streamline. So it's easier to streamline with this method of dropshipping. Now I hope you all enjoyed this video. Now be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. And be sure to subscribe because I am posting, uploading every single day. All right?